Excited here. We have Waleed Cope. You're a legend in the industry.
Thanks so much,
And
man.
he's helped educate so many people. I love your newsletter. I learned stuff from that. I recommend everybody subscribes. And so what I want to talk to you about today is the Laundry CEO convention and the conference.
Yes,
And I see you got a great lineup of speakers.
we do.
You did it. This is going to be your second event.
Yeah, too.
And I see the who's who, both speaking and also attending. So I know it's going to be a great crowd to network with other people. And I just was wondering like what the impetus was as far as launching this conference. I know it's a lot of work to put these together.
It is. It's truly a labor of love. But first and foremost, Matt, thanks for having us in the booth and
Absolutely.
taking this time to talk about the Laundry CEO Forum. So the impetus for this was plain and simple. I love hanging out with laundry people. And like there's a lot of local events in our industry. But when it comes to major events, we only have a few. And we sat back and we said, hey, how can we do something we can bring more operators together to hang out, talk about the business? But then we got a little deeper into it and we listened to the conversations. There's a level of operators who've been in the business like yourself, multi-generational or several years, and they're like, what's next? So we wanted to create this environment where we could all come together, have these higher level conversations, not just about doing laundry, but actually the business of laundry. And then we said, let's take it a step further. Let's look at other industries where we've found a lot of success, taking experiences from other industries and making adaptations and putting it in the laundry, and it helped us skyrocket our business. So we said, well, if we could bring people from other industries, share their best practices, apply them to laundry, and push growth even more. So we did that the first year, last year. We got great feedback from people. And our goal was just do it once, have a great time.
Right.
And people said, are you going to do it again this year? And I was like, I guess we got to do it again. So,
Popular demand.
so we sat down and we said, you know what, let's figure out who the speakers are to share their knowledge from inside the industry, outside the industry. And then we had a great list of attendees. Like so far, people signing up, the response has been phenomenal. We have two experiences. We have a C-suite, which is like a VIP. And then we have our general. Our C-suite sold out like the first 3
I
weeks.
we that.
We were blown
fast.
away, and I was like so touched by everyone. And there was a lot of people who came last year, and then a lot of new people. So we look forward to doing it again this year in October. We think it's going to be another great time.
And so how do people find out about it? Where do they go?
Yeah, you can go to laundryceoforum.com. We have everything listed there, all of our presenters, the agenda. It's a 2.5-day event. The first day everybody comes in, we partnered up with Laundry Cares. We're doing a free laundry day in the morning. We've partnered up with a commercial facility there. It's about 20,000 square feet. We're going to do a tour of their facility and see how things run on the back, how they've incorporated technology. And then we'll have a reception, welcome everybody, have a good time. And then the next day, we're starting from morning to evening. We'll have all programming that day. We'll have some exhibitors there. You can meet with them. And then for our C-suite that evening, we have a private dinner off-site at an undisclosed location. And we're going to have some really cool activities. And then the next day, we do another full day of activities. And then everybody heads home. And the goal is take what you learned and execute in your business.
That's great. I see a knockout lineup, great topics for different speakers.
Yes.
And then one of the keys as well is the conversations you have, and like the unplanned conversations you just have because you're bumping into people in the business. So it's going to be a great group of people.
Yeah.
So if you have an RSVP, that's what you should do because you're going to meet great people. And I could tell like you're a student as well. Like we all learn from each other.
Always. Yeah. I love learning, which, you mentioned earlier about the newsletter. That's what led me to just start writing a newsletter, learning stuff, the experience we had, good and bad, and sharing it. A lot of times we go online these days in our industry, we only hear like, look at the money I made, or it's passive. Like we need to talk about the good, the bad, and the middle, because that's what entrepreneurship is about. Like there's struggles, but these struggles lead us to progress. So share the wins and share the losses.
And one of my favorite things I learned from Waleed as well is go deeper into the closet because we're always thinking about wash and fold. I'm just thinking about shirts and pants, and you really lit the spark of like, what else could we bring into the laundromat? Because they've got other stuff besides shirts and pants, that they need done, whether it's shoes. I mean, over at the Clean Show, they've got even wedding dresses.
And like this booth where they're like, they preserve wedding gowns and it's great. It's a different option.
So you really open up my eyes to other opportunities. And that's what it's all about is we all learn together, and you've been a great help and benefit to, improving communication between everybody and bringing us together. So thank you.
I'm following your footsteps. You and Aaron have been a great resource. You've shared stuff on the platform. online social media. And then you just went from having a laundromat to building a platform to help operators grow their pickup and delivery and manage their wash dry fall. So you two have been a pillar in our industry. And now it's time for us to just keep enhancing that and growing it together.
Love it.
Yeah.
Well, thank you.
No, thank you so much for having me.